Okay, so our second step is to see in each group how many objects are there. Okay, fine. After that, what is our next step? Our next step is to write it, to write the given objects or whatever the information is given to us in repeated addition form. Next, what we have to do, we have to write it in multiplication sentence. Okay, we have to write multiplication sentence about that. And then we have to write all together how many are there. It could be a football, it could be your ice cream, it could be your cupcakes, toy car, dolls, anything. It could be any object. Are there? See, if you people will not sit at one place, you won't be able to understand. You should sit at one place, you should concentrate, you should listen and look at your screen very carefully. Yeah. So this is, okay, so we were doing this first bit, which is already done in your book, but still I'll explain it once again. So this is, there are how many groups and how many balls. So if you will look at the picture carefully, there are 4 groups. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 groups. And in each group, how many balls are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In each group, there are 6 balls. There are 6 balls. I'll write here 6, 6, 6 and 6. So in each group, there are 6 balls. Okay, fine. Then we can write it as 4 groups of 6 balls each because there are 4 groups and in each group there are 6 balls. Okay. Now we want to write it in repeated addition form. In repeated addition form, how you will write? See here. What you have to do is you have to repeat that number again and again with plus sign. Right? So in one group there are 6 balls, so we will repeat number 6. We will repeat number 6 because in each group there are 6 balls. So we will write it as 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. How many times we will write it? We will write it 4 times because there are 4 groups. Okay? Fine. Kushal, camera on. After that, equal to sign, we will write here total number of balls. So one method is you can add these 6 together. Fine. Other method is you can count all the balls together. Okay, this we did, we counted all the balls. So there were 24 balls. So after equal to sign, we will write here 24. Okay. Then what we will do? How many groups are there? There are 4 groups. So we will write here 4, or you can say that we are repeating this number 6 how many times? 4 times. So we will write here 4. After that, we will put here multiply sign. And then we will write here 6. Why we are writing here 6? Because we are repeating number 6 again and again. Again and again. So this is 4 multiply 6 equal to 24. This is 4 multiply 6 equal to 24, as we counted that there are 24 footballs altogether. So we will write here 4 6 are 24. So we can write here 24 balls in all. Okay, right? So now if, okay, so now next, in next bit there are ice creams are there, softies are there. So we have to see how many groups are there. Aslan, tell me how many groups are there?
4.
4 groups are there. Okay, so we will write here 4. That's correct. And in each group, how many softies are there?
4.
Very good. So in one group there are 4 softies. So we will write here 4. So there are 4 groups of 4 softies each. Okay, that's correct. Fine. Now, Ashwita,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me in repeated addition which number we will repeat? How many softies are there?
1, 2, 4. 4.
Yeah, so we will repeat number 4. Okay, so we will write here 4. Yes, so start writing. Shruti, start writing. 4 plus 4
Is 4,
plus 4.
5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9,
Okay,
10,
Ashwika, now count and tell me total how many softies are there?
12, 13, 14, 16. I'm not 16. 16.
Yes, so total 16 softies are there. So after equal to sign, we will write here 1, 6, 16. Okay, very good. That's correct. So we will write here 16. Yeah, that's correct. Now, okay, so now we have to write a multiplication sentence, children. How we will write it? Now see here. Dhriti Rati, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dhriti, tell me how many groups are there?
4 groups.
4 groups are there. So we will write here 4. Okay. We will write here 4. Okay. After multiply sign, tell me which
4,
number.
ma'am. 4, ma'am.
Very good. So children, see here, we are writing 4 again and again. We are repeating number 4. So we will write here 4. So this is 4.
And last one, 16.
Very good. And after equal to sign, children, we will write here 16 because total 16 softies are there.
And last answer also will be 16.
Total 16 softies are there. Okay, that's correct. So Prateek, now you tell me total how many softies are there?
16, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Total 16 softies are there, children. So in the last one, you will write here 16. So we can read it as 16 softies in all. Okay? Yeah. Now, next. You dolls are there. You have to first tell how many groups are there. Kushal, you tell me how many groups are there? How many groups?
4 groups, ma'am.
Very good. So there are 4 groups. So we will write here 4. That's the correct answer. And in each group, how many dolls are there, Kushal?
3, ma'am.
Very good. So there are 4 groups of 3 dolls each. We can write it as 4 groups of 3 dolls each. Okay, that's correct. Yeah. P. Kartika, unmute yourself. P. Kartika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
P. Kartika, in each group, how many dolls are there?
4.
In one group, how many dolls are there?
3.
3. So which number we will repeat here?
How good. 16.
P. Kartika, which number we will repeat now?
3.
Yes. So we will repeat here number 3 because in each group there are 3 dolls. So we will write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, fine. Now we have to count and tell total how many dolls are there. AVK Ganesh. AVK Ganesh. AVK Ganesh, unmute yourself and tell me total how many dolls are there. Count and tell. Yes. So after this equal to sign, children, we will write here 12. We will write here 12. Okay, that's correct. Now next. Anik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Anik, you tell me how many groups are there?
4.
Okay. There are 4 groups. So in multiplication sentence, what we will write first?
4.
4. So we will write here 4. Okay, fine. And which number we are repeating?
There's 3, ma'am.
Yes. So we will write here 3. So 4 multiplied 3. Okay. So 4 threes are
12.
very good. So 4 threes are 12. So after equal to sign, we will write here 12. Okay. That's correct. Very good, Anik. That's correct. Yeah. Dhriti Reddy, you count and tell me total how many dolls are there? Dhriti.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Total how
I
many
can't
dolls are
see
there?
anything on the screen.
Dhriti,
It's
then
all black.
Dhriti, then there must be some network issue from your side because other children, they are able to see. Okay, just count and tell me in third bit how many dolls are there. Page number 3. Page number 3 of your math course book.
Okay.
Yeah, page number 3 of your math course book.
Which question?
Third bit. Total how many dolls are there?
12.
Very good. So now Dhriti, just listen carefully, okay? And then try to do it. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So there are 12 dolls in all. Very good. So children, what we can do? We can count all the dolls together. So there are 12 dolls in all. Okay. So now I am clearing all this. Yeah. Okay. So now next. Now children, come to page number 4. Turn the page. Next question. This is page number 4. Turn the page and come to next question. Dhriti Reddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Dhriti, tell me how many groups are there? Next page, page number 4.
Okay.
Parachutes are there.
Nine.
No, how many groups are there?
3.
Very good. So in next bit in your bit number D, there are 3 groups. So we will write here 3. Okay, that's correct. Now, Manvit, you tell me in each group how many balloons are there? In one group, how many balloons are there, Manvit? How many? 3. Okay. So children, see here in each group there are 3 balloons. So we will write here 3. Very good. Okay, Manvit, you tell me which number we will repeat here. Which number are we repeating? Yeah, we are repeating here number 3 because in every group there are 3 balloons. So we will write here 3 in repeated addition. So we will write it as 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, that's correct. Yes, Aslan.
Ma'am, I have done the whole page.
Oh, very good. That's very good, Aslan. Very good. Those who have completed, that's very good. Yeah. Krishika. Krishika. Yeah. How many balloons are there total?
How? 9 balloons,
Yeah, 9 balloons are there. So after equal to sign, we will write here 9. Okay, very good. Okay, now Krishika, we have to write here multiplication sentence. You tell me how many groups are there?
Ma'am,
How many groups are there?
3.
3. So we will write here 3. Okay. And in one group, how many are there?
3, ma'am.
Yes. So we will write 3 again. So 3 threes are
9, ma'am.
9. 3 threes are 9. So after equal to, we will write here 9. And yes, children, remember this thing that those who have completed, check your answers. You should not write wrong numbers. And so we can write here in the last one that there are 9 balloons in all. Okay, we can write here. Now P Shreyan. P Shreyan. P Shreyan. P Shreyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me how many groups are there? Ships. Ships are there. Tell me how many groups?
2.
There are 2 groups. Okay, very good. And in each group, how many ships are there? How many ships are there?
9.
Yeah. So in each group, there are 9 ships. So we will write here 9. So this is 2 groups of 9 ships. Okay, 2 groups of 9 ships each. Fine. Okay, now tell me, P. Shreyan, which number are we repeating?
9.
Yeah, we are repeating number 9 here. So we will write here 9 plus
9.
9 plus 9. Okay, very good. We'll write here 9 plus 9. Okay, so now tell me total how many ships are there?
18.
18. Very good. So after equal to sign, we will write here 18. That's correct. We'll write here 18. Very good, P. Shreyan. Thank you so much. Ashrita. Ashrita. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashrita, so now tell me, how many groups are there?
2.
So we will write here 2 in multiplication sentence first. After this multiply sign, what we will write here?
9.
Very good. So since there are 9 ships in each group, so we will write it as 2 nines are and 2 nines
18.
are 18. Very good. So after equal to sign, we will write here 18. So 2 nines are 18. And the last one, what we will write?
18.
Very good.
18, ma'am.
Very good. 18 ships in all. That's the correct answer. Yes, children. So I'll clear all this now. I'm clearing all this, children. Now, question number 2 is there on page number 4, children. This also we will do now. Question number 2 on page number 4. Right? So now see here, this is very easy. Just look in your book carefully. Okay? What you have to do is, now see here. One question, this is already done in your book. You have to write the addition and multiplication statement for each of the following. How you will write, see here. This is 3. Look at the first bit carefully. This is 3 times 4. 3 times 4. So times means multiply. Times, listen children, times means multiply. Times mean multiply. So what we can do, when you will write multiplication sentence or multiplication statement, just in place of this time you have to put here multiply sign. Okay, this is how you are going to write the multiplication sentence. And now when you have to write the addition statement, how you will write? 3 times 4 means that you have to write 4 3 times. 3 times 4 means you have to write number 4 with plus sign 3 times. Okay? Are you understanding? So now suppose, see here, look at your second bit, children. This is 6 times 9. What is this? This is 6 times, sorry, this is 6 times 8. Which, what is this? 6 times 8. This means you have to write number 8 how many times? 6 times. Listen, if you listen very carefully, you should not write wrong answers. Again, I'm repeating. This is 6 times 8. This means you have to write number 8 6 times. You have to write number 8 how many times? 6 times. That too with plus sign. So we'll write here 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. How many times we will write 8? We will write 8 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now next, what we have to do? Next, we have to write the multiplication sentence. Multiplication statement, how we will write? What I said, that in place of this times, just put multiply sign. 6 and 8 will remain the same. So we'll write here 6. Okay. Okay, this multiply symbol is not there. So we will write here 6 multiply 8. Okay. What I said, whenever you are writing multiplication statement, you just need to write multiply in place of this times. Okay. In place of this times, you will write here only multiply symbol whenever you're writing multiplication sentence. Okay. Now next. Yeah, next one. Now the question is 2 times 5. 2 times 5. Jay, you tell me the answer. 2 times 5. Which number we will repeat and how many times? Jay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me the answer. 2 times 5. This means we have to write 5 how many times? 2 times. So tell me the
2
answer.
times.
Tell me the answer.
10.
No.
5. 2 into 5.
Wrong. That is multiplication sentence. Tell me addition.
5 plus 5.
Very good. So we will write it as 5. Sorry. We'll write it as 5 plus 5. Very good. And Jay, how we will write multiplication sentence? Jay, tell me fast. Jay, you need to unmute yourself. Yes, Arpita, you tell me how we will write multiplication sentence. What is the answer? Krishika ji, tell me the answer.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me answer for third bit multiplication sentence.
multiplication 2 into 5.
Very good. So we'll write here 2 into 5. Okay, that's correct. Or you can say 2 multiply 5. Okay, that's correct. Yes, Aslan.
Ma'am, can I tell the third bit?
Okay, Aslan, I'll get back to you. Just give me 1 minute. Yes, AVK Ganesh.
Ma'am,
What?
complete.
Okay, very good. That's good. Okay, that's good. Yes, Aslan.
Ma'am, mine is also complete.
Okay, Aslan. Now tell me answer for fourth bit then. Yes, Aslan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me then. What is the question?
7 times 3.
So this is 7 times 3. So so what is the answer? Which number we are going to write 7 times?
3.
Yes?
3.
Yeah. So what is the answer? Tell me.
3 plus
3 plus
3
3.
plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3.
Yes. So we are going to write 3 7 times. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 3. Okay, this is correct. Okay, Aslan, now tell me multiplication sentence.
7 multiplied by 5.
Not 5, no.
No, 7 multiplied by 3.
Yeah, so this is 7 multiplied by 3. Okay, or you can say 7 multiplied 3. Okay, that's correct. AVK Ganesh, you tell me answer for last bit now.
108 times.
So what we will write?
108 times.
Tell me the answer. We will write 1 8 times. What is the answer?
It's not 8. It's 8. They are telling 8.
Yes. Tell me the answer.
1 plus 1
Okay.
plus
Correct. 1 plus 1 plus. Okay. 1 plus 1 plus 1
1 plus
plus
1
1
plus
plus 1 plus 1 1.
plus 1.
Okay. So how many times we will write this one? 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that is correct. Now tell me the multiplication statement.
8 multiply 1.
It's not 8, it's 8. Okay, not 8. 8 is wrong. It's 8. So this is 8 multiply 1. Okay, now this is correct. Those who have completed, please check your answers. Okay. So now I am clearing all this. I hope nobody is writing. Yes. Now children, do one thing. Open page number 7171 of your math textbook quickly. 7171 of your math textbook. 71. I did it mathematics. Page number 71 of your math textbook. Open that page. Yes, Supratik.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
what is the page number?
Page number 7171.
Thank you, ma'am.
Page number 71 is there, no? Open that page. Yeah. Okay now. Adya,
Yes, ma'am.
Adya, you tell me what is there in the first picture?
First picture. First picture. Sheep there, ma'am.
Sheep. You okay?
Sheep.
Okay. So sheep are there. Okay, fine. Now Adya, tell me how many groups are there?
3 groups.
Okay. So children, what you will do? You will write in your first blank. You will write there 3. Start. Write there 3. There are 3 groups. Okay. And